Inna the valley, me a go look the hood. Me a go use the brangle catch a fire. The Dutch here fi hot. Yes, peeps. Step on a bird hunting, you know. So, see what can go and shoot off one Tommy. Miss him, you know. So, see me can survive today. You know what can go on, peeps. Yes, peeps, that one Tommy. Yes, peeps. Yeah, man. So I'm going to go and then story. Then when the peeps want to subscribe, share the video, make a like and a comment, you know. Yeah, man, just that alone maybe gonna do for me. Yeah, man, enough respect, man. You can do that, yeah. Just feel me, I look some story now. Don't know, say me have on my slingshot and them stone. No joke about it. Yes, peeps, stone. Yes, peeps. Good stone there. Yeah, man. Call them gravel. Yeah, man, bring weight. Peeps. Dip on the next forest, you know. Show now how I go on. Yeah, man. Guava tree, yeah. Yeah, man. Match it up, you know, yeah. Yes, peeps. Guava, yeah. It's a one turn one. Yeah, man. Ripe one, them bring way for worm, you know. I want to see the fine hunting. Beef. Yeah, man. Mm-hmm. I say me an artist, you know, peeps. Yeah, man. Artist. Name artist Anthem HD, you know. Yeah. Daily, when you talk about flip, them have to bring it 2 feet come, them have to pay for learn, them have to invest in my PayPal, them have to bring it come period. Man a real bad man, he say me nah spend cent, police can't sentence me, behind the bar school no fuck, cause I want art in a way, you know say me cool heart, me no patient, me no obedient, me always up on the lookout, me intense and fuck, me hard like cement, and me a elevate. Level minus 9 equal to fate. Yes, peeps. I know me not get nothing, you know, man. Yeah, man. Man, just stay tuned still. Nothing beat a try, you know. Yes, peeps. I know the hills them want go. Me and my bridging them, you know. Yeah, man. So, our next upcoming slingshot video, that bird hunting, you know. peeps. Don't get too apply, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah. So we do it. I'm not all, you know? Mm-hmm. Anything about we are getting, you know? Yeah. I work my own to, you know, eh, peeps? Yes, peeps. Jackfruit, you know? Yeah, man. Original jackfruit. Jamaican jackfruit, you know? One peeps. Yeah, man. And me alone in a piece, so I'm not gonna really see. When me I make a move to shoot a bird, but when me get none connected, me just hit up on a show me, yeah? Yeah, man. Right now, yeah, man, it's a still good epic day, all if me not get one. You see me, peeps? Yeah, man. I'm still left on the hunting, you know? Yeah, man. Still left on the hunting, peeps. Yes, peeps. Left on a farm, you know? Yeah, man. Yes, peeps, that junk, you know? Yes, peeps. Shoot one, you know? See me? Don't know, say Anthem Stone did it. Yeah, man. I'm not gonna really see it, you know, peeps, cause think I set away. I'm me alone there today, you know? Yeah, man, but I'm going on our next adventure still when we are going to hills with a couple of my dog, them, you know? Yeah, man, so don't know, say Anthem stories. I want to produce some good video going, you know? I want to know observe, me preserve good video of a real survivor, you know? Yeah, man. See him there again, peeps. And look a squid, you know? Yeah, man. Nice, look a squid, peeps. Shot him on the itch up, you know? Yeah, man. Dead bird. Man a bad man. Man bad long time. Yes, peeps. Two that, you know? Yeah, man. This is our unspeaker. Yeah, man. Put him on the basil, you know, yeah? Yes, peeps. I told that again. Yeah, man. Anthem Stone a work, you know? Yeah, man. So, peeps, want to know. Subscribe, comment, like, and share up your video, them, you know? Yeah, man. As you see, subscribe to people. Yeah, big on them. Yeah, man. I want the money, you know? I deserve it as a youth. Then thing I will live off, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So, I want to show me a real survivor, you know? From my youth growing up. Yeah, man. Yes, peeps. Yeah, man. That's beads, you know? Yeah, I make chain with it. Yeah, man. Jamaican beads. The chat down and say no peeps. Yeah man. Have head, you know? Yeah man. Bird I mean not gonna really do nothing to them yet, you know. I just store them, not really make no sense. So I call them. Me have one next adventure to go for so couple of my dog them. So stay tuned for that one little shoot of the head. Chill out please. The hips. Head gone. Just headless with the slingshot, you know. Yes, peeps, another one off a buzzer. Another one off a blue squid. Next one, yes, please. Add some pimenta. I'm calling the bird them, you know. Only two. Add a little salt. Mostly salt, a little bit. Salt tip, you know. Yes, peeps, pepper. Yeah, man. Good hot pepper, you know. Yes, peeps. Shake, you know.